have a Lunar Clubman SB starting at the front of the van with both the levers on the coupling head in the upright position. It is ready to receive a tow ball, like so. With the tow ball in place, the rear handle will drop down. You can then bring the stabilisation handle down, like so. Then to release the tow ball, bring the first handle up, and the second, and the tow ball will release. Moving back with your breakaway cable, jockey wheel and handbrake. You also have your 13-pin plug. This controls your road lights, your ATC and your fridge. It will only control the fridge and the ATC if your vehicle is wired correctly. I will now demonstrate that working. To start with, the ATC. Working. Front lights working, coming down the sides, got your high level lights working, all of the rear lights all working, plate lights, high level brake light all working, lights working, and high level again working. Moving up from the A-frame, we have your gas locker with space for 2 gas bottles and your bulkhead regulator, both suitable for propane and butane. Coming around the side, we have your freshwater inlet, we have your battery locker, we have your isolator switch for your motor mover and the automatic legs, and we have your mains input. Back now. Further back we have your wastewater outlet, your toilet flush fill. There we go, I'll open this one. And your toilet cassette. Now then, before going in the van, I will demonstrate how to put the legs down first. So if you come into the van with your isolation switch on, I'm under the near side seat. There is a control panel under here. The bottom button brings the legs up. The second from the one up from the bottom puts the legs down. So press that and the legs will go down. Bear with me a second. Legs going down. And now the system has stopped beeping, it is done. And now coming into the van, we have your control panel up here with your master switch there to turn everything on, your lights there, warning light there, also have your mains lights, the front there and there. Now with a bit of light I can show you your self-leveling system a bit better. So as you can see, the bottom button retracts the legs, the one up from that automatically puts the legs down, then you've got the hand which allows you to do it manually, so press that and then you can select what leg you want to put down, front, middle or back, and then the on off button. But again, to use this you will have to turn the isolation switch on in the battery locker. Close that down. Coming over this side, that yellow switch there will need to be in the horizontal position. In the vertical position is draining for your water system, so with that in the horizontal position we can turn pump on and use the water. Also, while I'm down here, I'll run through your consumer unit. This is your consumer unit with your MCBs and RCD. It is recommended that every time you plug into a new power supply you hit this test button to make sure your RCD is working correctly. You also have your 12-volt fuses with labelling for what should be there and what they cover. We also have an isolation switch for your Aldi heating system. So now with the yellow switch in the horizontal position, we can turn the pump on and we can get the air out of the water system. This should take a few seconds on the cold side and could take a few minutes on the hot side. Bear with me while I get the air through. There you go, with the water through. You'll now need to do that on the other tap. And the shower. In order to use the water system. So with all the air out of the system, it is ready to use. Now we can use your Aldi heating system. So to start with, we can turn it on, then we can set the internal temperature, we can set water heater on and off. The Aldi system will constantly heat the water. If you turn it on, it turns the circulation pump off, so it's only heating the water though, so it won't be heating the caravan with the water symbol on. So I'll leave that off for now. And you've got your gas off and on. And we've got your electric 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt and off. So that's that. Also we have your fridge down here. To turn the fridge on, hold the power button, allow it to turn on. Then you can select your power supply, either 12 volt. Again, the 12 volt will only work when your car is plugged in, as long as your vehicle is wired correctly. Your mains and your gas. You also have auto, which selects the best function. We also have your temperature settings. So you can select the temperature, your desired temperature in the fridge. And then when you're done using it, hold down the power button and it will turn off. You also have your 3-burner hob with hot plate, your grill with grill pan and handle, and your oven. Above that we have your microwave. This works the same as any domestic microwave would. Coming through into the back of the van, we have your toilet with electric flush. To use the electric flush, simply press this blue button. The toilet will flush. Once you're done with the toilet and you want to release the liquid through to the cassette, bring this grey handle round and it will release. Then you can close it again. I'll now go around and demonstrate all the lights working. So you see all the lights are working. You will also find left in your caravan will be a warranty cover sheet. It shows you everything that is and is not covered under your warranty. You also have a winterization sheet. This shows you how to drain your caravan down and keep your caravan safe during the colder months. I will now demonstrate the motor mover working. Before doing that, I need to retract the legs. So again, under here, turn the system on and the very bottom button, and it will retract the legs. To use your mover, obviously turn on the isolation switch, which is already on because we've been doing the legs. Press both of the green buttons on the handset. It's kind of difficult to see, but hold the centre button. Bear with me a second, it's kind of difficult to do one-handed. Right, so with your handset on, centre button, and then the green on, and your mover will start engaging. So allow the remote and the mover to go through the full process. Now that it's finished its procedure, now you can release the handbrake as the mover will be holding the weight of the caravan, and you're ready to go. So you've got forwards, backwards, front end towards me, front end away from me, back end away from me, and back end towards me. When you're done using the mover, pull the handbrake up, hold that centre button again, and with the other side, and the mover will disengage. Again, allow it to do its full procedure. Like so, and now it is done. Press one of the green buttons to turn the handset off. Turn your isolation switch off, and you are done. If you have any other questions about your caravan and its appliances, please refer to the book pack, as you will find more information there. Thank you.